In this lecture, I'm going to show you about how you can use the SumIfs function inside the Excel sheet. So previously we saw the SumIf function, which allows us to specify one criteria for a particular range and then sum a particular range. So SumIfs function allows us to specify multiple criteria for multiple ranges and allows to sum one particular range. So in this, first is the syntax. Let us understand the syntax. So sum ifs, then the sum range you need to fill up in the as a first entry for sum ifs. Then go for the criteria one range, that is, let's say our country is our first criteria range. Then put up the criteria one, what is the criteria for which it has to be equal to, then only you will include that. Then criteria 2 will be our sales range, so sales and sales value is greater than a particular value, then only include that in summing the net sales. So let us see by clicking this cell. So we have this equal to sum ifs sales as our first entry, which is the sum range, wherein we want to calculate the sum of the valid cells. Then country is our first criteria range, so this is first criteria range. And h6, this cell h6 is our first criteria, which has to match with the country, that is country has to be Germany. Then the next is the sales. This is the sales range, and if the sales are greater than 210, so look at the way we have typed 210, we have to double quote it and include it, the criteria inside that, when we want a greater than sign or less than sign to be embedded in it. So in this way you can use the sumIs function. And if I just say I change this criteria to 21, then we have got the complete range, that is 355. The else it will be reduced by 200. So you just see that it changed to 3355. So in this way, go ahead and try out this in the embedded Excel sheet with this video lecture, and understand more about how to use SumIfs function. Thanks for watching this video.